welcome back to iNerdja, and today I made some desserts, and they're no-bake cookie dough bites. It's a mouthful. And so what you did is you just take the powder.
You did or do?
What you do is you take the cookie powder, like the powder that they provide in the box, and you take some water and butter, and you mix it all together, and you make your cookie dough, and then you put it on the plate into bowls, and then you put your chocolate drizzle over it.
Wait, did you have to melt that?
Yes, you have to melt the chocolate.
How did you do that?
You put it in the microwave for like 45 seconds.
What is cookie powder?
It's the powder. It was powder, dough powder.
What do you think it's made of?
Dough powder. It was chocolate chips in it too. Flour, like.
Oh, you made it out of flour.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There's no egg in it?
Nope, no egg.
So we can eat this without it being...
Could we cook them, I wonder? There's no egg.
There's no egg.
It probably wouldn't work.
Oh.
So it was a little messy because they said just drizzle it.
I thought that was the look you were going for, like very artistic.
Yeah, I would not have known that was... Wow, this is a great
Did you
treat.
do this all by yourself?
All by myself. Nobody else was in there.
No one was in the kitchen. to
Except
help her.
Elsie. She came and talked to me, but besides that.
Oh.
No. Wait, you got us a drink?
Yes, I got everybody milk because, you know, if you have cookies or dough or something, you have to have milk. So, yeah.
Emma, thank you for serving us.
You're welcome.
Oh, by the way, I love your hair.
Oh, thanks.
All right.
Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below if you've ever made these. And remember, iNerdja.